In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved passwords on Google Chrome browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where Chrome stores your saved logins and how to safely reveal a password when you need it. Start in Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu. If your menu looks slightly different, don't worry. Chrome updates frequently, but the option you need will still be there. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. On the left sidebar, or near the top, find Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome keeps everything related to forms, payment methods, and logins. Next, select Passwords or Google Password Manager, depending on your version. Both take you to the same place, a list of websites where Chrome has saved usernames and passwords. You'll see sections like Saved Passwords, and you might also see options to enable saving passwords or auto sign in. If you have a lot of entries, use the search box at the top of the page to quickly find the website you're looking for. Once you've found the site or account you want, click the entry to open its details. You'll see the username and a hidden password represented by dots. To reveal the password, click the little eye icon next to it. For security, Chrome will ask you to prove it's really you. This might mean entering your computer's sign-in password using Touch ID or a fingerprint, or confirming with a PIN, depending on your device. After you authenticate, Chrome will display the password in plain text. If you only need to paste the password somewhere, you can use the copy button next to it instead of revealing it on screen. Just remember that copied passwords sit on your clipboard briefly, so avoid sharing your screen and clear the clipboard afterward if privacy is a concern. When you're done, click the eye icon again or navigate away to stop showing the password. A few quick tips. If you don't see the account you expect, make sure you're signed into the correct Chrome profile, the one that originally saved the password. Check the profile icon in the top right of Chrome. If you still can't find it, the password may never have been saved, or it could be stored in another password manager. Finally, for your safety, only reveal passwords in a private setting, and keep your device secure with a strong sign-in password or biometric unlock. That's it. You now know how to view saved passwords in Chrome quickly and securely.